Hey everybody! Today, I got a bunch of cool stuff for you. And if you stick around to the end, I'm going to be giving some stuff away. So, trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's get into it. So, there are two schools of thought on woodworking. There are those who make cutting boards, and there are those who absolutely refuse to do them. But can you be a woodworker and not make cutting boards?
I'm not a real woodworker because I don't make cutting boards. Unsubscribed.
Anyway, cutting boards are a great and simple project for gifts and also for quick sales if you're trying to grow your business. I make a lot of cutting boards throughout the year, and making them, if you're meticulous like me, you put rubber feet on the bottom and you want them to be evenly spaced and uniform around the board. And if you're doing this, you're probably using a combination square and a pencil, marking each corner twice, and you always have that one corner that gets messed up and it drives you bananas. So, in order to help with this, I made this jig. It evenly spaces your holes for your drilling your holes for the rubber feet, consistent and even around the whole board. I know this is not an original idea, but this design has 3 spaces in it. 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and 2 inches. So it comes really in handy for those bigger feet.
You know what they say about big feet? Big socks.
If you're doing a lot of boards or just a couple, this is a great addition to have in your shop. I have made several of these, and this one was actually made out of wood filament, but I like this design the best. The holes are sized for a 1/16 inch drill bit, or 2 millimeters if you're not in the US. Or I like to use it with my brass spring-loaded center punch to mark the holes. That way the drill bit doesn't accidentally chew up my jig. But I said there was going to be a giveaway, didn't I?
Yeah, that's why I'm watching this stupid video.
Well, we just recently hit over 1,000 subscribers here on the channel, and I want to say thank you to you all.
Speaking of which, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. You know you want to.
I'm going to be giving away 4 of these. And what do you know, for maybe one of them I'll throw in a spring-loaded center punch and a bunch of stickers and stuff. So if you'd like to get entered in that giveaway, I'll have a link down in the description. I will be drawing from these entries on Monday, April 4th, so that gives everyone about a week to enter. If you're watching this and you missed the giveaway, do we have flying cars yet? Anyway, I'll have these in my Etsy store. I think it's like $10 with free shipping. But there I'll also have my Shepherd's Workbench board butter, my build plans, so I'll have that link down in the description. So for those of you who are entering the giveaway, good luck. And for everybody else, thanks for joining us in this video, the Shepherd's Workbench.